You close your eyes. The world fades. And then you are falling, being chased, or flying over a city you've never seen. Most people wake up and say, "That was weird," and they forget it by breakfast. But Carl Jung believed your dreams are not random noise. They are messages, direct letters from your unconscious soul. And if you ignore them, the messages get louder until they become nightmares. Welcome to Archetype Wisdom. Jung called dreams the small hidden door in the deepest sanctum of the soul. Think of your mind like a house. Your conscious mind is the living room, tidy, organized, under control. But the basement, the attic, that is where you store everything you've repressed. Your fears, your hidden desires, your forgotten memories. When you sleep, the conscious guard goes off duty, and the contents of the basement come up to visit. Jung said, "The dream is the normal reaction of the psyche to the situation of the moment." So, what is your psyche trying to tell you? Let's decode the 3 most common dream themes. Number 1. Being chased. You are running. Something is behind you. A monster, a killer, a shadow. You can't move fast enough. Most people think this is anxiety. Jung says, it is avoidance. You are being chased by a part of yourself you refuse to face. Maybe it's your anger. Maybe it's a talent you're ignoring. Maybe it's a truth you don't want to admit. The monster isn't trying to kill you. It's trying to get your attention. It will chase you forever, until you stop running, turn around and ask, "What do you want?" Number 2. Falling. You are walking and suddenly the ground gives way. You plummet into darkness. This isn't just about losing control. It is about insecurity in your waking life. Are you holding on to something too tightly? A relationship? A job? An image of who you think you should be? The dream is telling you, let go. The fall only hurts if you resist it. If you surrender, you might find you can fly. Number 3. Teeth falling out. It is visceral, painful, embarrassing. Jungians often link this to a loss of power. Teeth are how we bite, how we chew, how we defend ourselves. To lose them is to feel helpless. Are you feeling powerless in your life right now? Unable to speak your truth, like you've lost your bite? The dream is a mirror. It shows you where you feel weak, so you can reclaim your strength. So, how do you work with these messages? Jung didn't just analyze dreams. He dialogued with them. Here is a simple 3-step process you can do tomorrow morning. Step 1. Record immediately. Keep a notebook by your bed. The second you wake up, write down everything. Even if it's just a color, a feeling, a fragment. Dreams vanish like mist in the sun. Capture them before they disappear. Step 2. Personify the symbols. Don't use a generic dream dictionary. Snake means betrayal might be wrong for you. Instead, ask, what does this snake mean to me? Is it dangerous? Is it healing? Is it ancient wisdom? Your association is the key. Step 3. Ask the dream, what are you for? This is the most important question. Dreams are compensatory. They try to balance your psyche. If you are too rigid in your waking life, you might dream of chaos. If you are too timid, you might dream of a lion. Ask the dream, what part of myself am I neglecting? The answer will surprise you. Why does this matter? Because a life without dreams is a life lived only halfway. You are ignoring half of your existence. Jung wrote, dreams are the guiding words of the soul. They are not there to scare you. They are there to guide you, to make you whole. So tonight, before you sleep, set an intention. Tell yourself, I will remember. I will listen. Keep the notebook ready. Turn off the light and wait for the message. If this video helped you understand your dreams, subscribe to Archetype Wisdom. We dive deep into the psyche every week. And tell me in the comments, what is the strangest dream you've ever had? Let's decode it together. Until next time, know thyself.